Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Pandas on Windows operating system. So here, let's go first into this command prompt. And now if I write there, let's write CLS first. So if I write there Python minus version. So you can see 3.14.6 that's installed. And if I write there pip minus version. So here you can see this pip version that installed. Now let's write there CLS. If I write here Python. So Python simply going to run this first line of code there. Press enter. So you can see there I'm getting the message no module or pandas. That's fine there. So what we need to do? So here I'm going to install the pandas. So for this one, let's write the command pip install pandas. So this command that I'm going to use with the help of pip that's going to install their pandas. So you can see collecting pandas downloading and here bin and this is now installing. So this downloading now installing the package. So this package 6 Python default and pandas or total 4 packages is now currently installing. So by using this command, you can easily install this Pandas inside your Windows machine. So this done here. After that, let's write the CLS command. And now if I write displace Python again, and this command that's I'm going to test there. Control C and Control V. So this time there is no any problem. Now let's use the rest of the line. So copying this data and pasting there. So this and this, if I print there, press enter, then this will display there call sum and row sums. So here call sum and row sum that's the display. So this is how we can do the installation of pandas inside your Windows. So with the help of pip command, we can easily install here. So I hope guys this video is the help for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.